Hey guys, today I would like to show you an unboxing of this Chef's Limited tea kettle. You can see a picture of it here on the front. Now, a disclaimer, I did get this item for free in exchange for leaving an honest review. So this video is sponsored by Chef's Limited and Thompson. So it comes in this little box, and then here it is. It is very shiny, as you can see, and black and smooth. I love it. It's so big. It holds at least double what our old tea kettle held. And let's see, it holds 2 3/4 quarts. And then for the whistler, it has this little piece that you can just stick on the end of the spout, and then when it boils up, it'll whistle. And to make it stop whistling, you just pull a little tab off, and you can pour your tea or pour your water, whatever you want to pour up. And it has this nice handle, which looks really sturdy. So I'm hoping that it will last for a long time to come. You can get this item on Amazon, and I will leave in a link in the description box below. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a like. Thank you very much.